10 morning detox drinks that actually work. First up, warm lemon water. It's simple, it's old school, and it works. Every morning, squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water. Not too hot, not too cold, just warm. Drink it before anything else on an empty stomach. It's like giving your body a gentle wake-up call. Lemon gives you a good dose of vitamin C, which helps your immune system and fights inflammation. It also supports your liver, helping it do its job of clearing out toxins. And the warm water, it gets your digestion moving, especially helpful if you tend to wake up feeling bloated or backed up. Stick with this little habit each morning, and over time, you might notice clearer skin, better digestion, and that light, clean feeling that sets a good tone for the day. It's easy, it's cheap, and honestly, it's one of the best morning habits you can build. Next, apple cider vinegar and water. This one's a favorite in the wellness world, and for good reason. Just a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water first thing in the morning can do wonders for digestion. It stimulates stomach acid production, which helps your body break down food more effectively and absorb nutrients better. Apple cider vinegar may also support liver function by promoting healthy bile flow. Some early research suggests it may even help regulate blood sugar levels, something that's especially important in the morning when your metabolism is kicking into gear. If the taste is too strong, add a drizzle of raw honey or a squeeze of lemon to mellow it out. Just don't drink it straight. It's acidic and can harm your tooth enamel if not diluted. Then we've got cucumber mint water. If you're someone who struggles with water in the morning, this refreshing combo might be just what you need. Cucumber hydrates the body and provides antioxidants like quercetin, while mint supports digestion and soothes the stomach. The two together make a cooling, depuffing drink that can help flush out excess sodium and water retention from the day before. Slice up half a cucumber, toss in a few fresh mint leaves, and steep it in a jug of water overnight. The next morning, you've got a naturally flavored detox drink that feels like a mini spa treatment. It's great for people who want something light, hydrating, and easy on the stomach. Number 7, ginger tea. Ginger is a powerhouse for detox and digestion. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can help stimulate your digestive tract, reduce bloating, and improve circulation, all important parts of your body's natural cleansing process. It's also packed with gingerol, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. If your stomach feels a little off when you wake up, or if you're dealing with nausea, gas, or heaviness, this tea can make a noticeable difference. Just slice a few pieces of fresh ginger root, boil it in water for 5 to 10 minutes, and sip it warm. Add lemon for extra detox benefits, or a pinch of turmeric to boost anti-inflammatory power. Moving on, green tea with lemon. Unlike coffee, green tea gives you a gentle caffeine lift without the jitters, while offering a potent dose of antioxidants called catechins. These compounds help protect liver cells from damage and support detoxification. Adding lemon to your green tea not only enhances the flavor, but it also boosts the body's ability to absorb those antioxidants. Some studies show this combo can also support fat metabolism, especially in the morning when your system is most responsive. Drink it warm and avoid adding sugar so you don't cancel out the benefits. If you're easing off coffee but still want something stimulating and detoxifying, this is your drink. Number 5, beetroot juice. This vibrant drink is loaded with nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. But more importantly for detox, beets contain compounds like betaine and betalains, which support liver function and help your body break down and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Beet juice is also high in antioxidants, iron, and vitamin C, making it a triple threat when it comes to cleansing, energy, and immune support. Drink it alone or blend it with apple, carrot, and lemon for a morning juice that tastes good and works even better. Just a heads up, beet juice can change the color of your urine or stool. That's totally normal and not harmful. Now let's talk about aloe vera juice. It might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think detox drink, but aloe vera is surprisingly powerful. It's most known for its soothing effect on the skin, but when consumed internally, it can also calm the digestive system. Aloe juice supports gut health by promoting regular bowel movements, reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, and potentially improving nutrient absorption. Some small studies even suggest it may help reduce liver enzyme levels, one marker of improved detox function. Just be careful with dosage. Look for food-grade aloe vera juice and stick to about a quarter cup diluted in water. Drinking too much can have a laxative effect, especially on an empty stomach. When used properly, it's a gentle way to wake up your digestive system and set the tone for a healthy day. Next up, chia seed detox water. If you haven't tried this before, don't be surprised by the texture. Chia seeds absorb water and expand, forming a gel-like consistency that's packed with fiber and hydration. This is one of the best drinks you can have in the morning to support digestion, reduce appetite, and keep you feeling full for hours. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. When soaked overnight, they become a super hydrating detox drink that also supports blood sugar balance, an important factor in metabolic health. Just mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water or fresh lemon water, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, or overnight, and sip slowly in the morning. It'll do wonders for your gut and energy levels. Coming in strong, coconut water with lime. For hydration and replenishment, coconut water is one of nature's best offerings. It's loaded with electrolytes, especially potassium and magnesium, which help flush out excess sodium and support kidney function. That's why it's often called nature's sports drink. Adding fresh lime gives you a splash of vitamin C and a subtle, tangy flavor, boosting its detox power. This combo is especially helpful if you wake up feeling bloated or dehydrated, or after a salty meal the night before. It's also great for hot weather, when you tend to lose more fluids overnight. Just make sure to get unsweetened coconut water without added flavors or sugar. And now, turmeric golden milk. This one's warming, soothing, and packed with healing compounds. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory agents in natural medicine. When paired with black pepper and healthy fat, like coconut milk or almond milk, curcumin becomes more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it more effectively. Golden milk is traditionally used to support liver health, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. And while it's often thought of as a bedtime drink, having it in the morning can gently stimulate digestion and provide antioxidant support throughout the day. Warm up your milk of choice, stir in a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a bit of cinnamon, and if you like, a drizzle of honey. It's comfort and detox in a cup. Rounding out the list, dandelion root tea. It might sound unusual, but this herbal tea is one of the best-kept secrets in natural detox. Dandelion root has been used for centuries to support liver and kidney function. It acts as a gentle diuretic, helping your body flush out excess water and toxins through urine. At the same time, it contains compounds like tiraxasterol that may support bile production and reduce inflammation. Some early studies suggest dandelion may even help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. It has a roasted, slightly bitter flavor that's similar to coffee, making it a nice alternative if you're trying to cut back on caffeine. Drink it plain or with a squeeze of lemon for extra detox power. Let's pull it all together. When we talk about detoxing, it's not about extremes. It's about giving your body the support it needs to do what it's already designed to do. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract are constantly working behind the scenes to keep your system clean. But with the right morning habits, you can make that job a whole lot easier. Starting your day with one of these 10 drinks can set a positive tone for your digestion, your energy, and even your mood. They hydrate, nourish, and gently encourage your body to release what it no longer needs. And over time, that consistency can lead to clearer skin, less bloating, sharper focus, and better overall wellness. And here's your morning challenge. Pick just one of these drinks to try tomorrow morning. See how you feel, then try another later in the week. Your body will often tell you what's working. And remember, these drinks aren't magic on their own. They work best when combined with healthy sleep, whole foods, and regular movement. But as a daily ritual, they can be powerful. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a video. You can also check out our merch store or leave a super thanks to support our work. Thanks for watching. Here's to a fresh start every morning.